Mom, this morning is very cold.
Yes, it is very cold today.
I wish I were still in my bed.
I know, but we have to wait for the bus.
My hands feel very cold now.
Put them in your pockets to stay warm.
Why is the bus so late today?
Maybe there is a lot of traffic this morning.
I am starting to feel very cold.
Stand close to me and stay warm.
I hope the bus comes soon.
It should be here in a few minutes.
I can see my breath in the air.
Yes, that means the air is very cold.
I do not like waiting in the cold.
I understand, but we must be patient.
Do you see the bus now?
Yes, I can see it down the street.
I am happy the bus is finally here.
Yes, the bus is arriving now.
Thomas, it's okay. The doctor will help you.
Mom, I'm scared.
There is nothing to be afraid of.
What if I get an injection?
It will be very quick.
I don't like injections.
I know, but you are very brave.
Will it hurt?
Maybe a little, but only for a moment.
Will the doctor be nice?
Yes, the doctor is very kind.
Okay, I will try to be brave. Will you stay with me?
Yes, I will stay with you the whole time.
Okay, let's go.
Are your pants torn?
It's fashion.
They look very poor.
Not poor, Grandma.
I can fix them. I can fix them.
Please don't.
Why don't you want me to fix them?
This is the style.
I can sew it quickly for you.
No sewing, please.
Your knees are cold now.
I feel fine.
That's strange fashion, child.
My friends dress like this.
I doubt that.
Really, Grandma?
They still look poor.
I feel rich.
You are funny.
I love you, Grandma.
I love you too, child.